Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about these LUXEAR fruit and vegetable containers that also help keep them fresh. Initially, I'm going to be honest, I was skeptical that just storing your groceries in a different container could help them last longer, but these really have changed my mind. I love the flexibility of the sizes, and the large and the medium come with a divider that you can use either horizontally or vertically to store different vegetables in the same container. I love the fact that I can go ahead and just wash my grapes direct and then put it directly in the container. The large and medium containers have a drainage hole at the bottom that you can either plug up or not, so you can always soak things as well and then let the water out later. I absolutely love these and I don't know how I went without them for so long. My favorite is the large because I can store everything I need pretty much for a salad right in here, and then at the same time I can also rinse them in here and store them. And I have found personally that these did make my vegetables stay fresher longer, so I am amazingly happy with that. The drainage hole at the bottom to help with cleaning is just a huge bonus. So I absolutely love these. My only regret about these containers is that I didn't start using them sooner. They make storage so much easier. I don't have to worry about my grapes getting all smushed in their packaging, and they're super easy to find with the clear containers, and even with the grate, you can see through to see what fruit and veggies you have in each container. So guys, I absolutely love them, but that's just my point of view.